Hello everyone and welcome back. So in this video I will show you how to pass a data from one screen to another screen using React Native navigation. So let's start with the practical. So this is my card UI. So when I click to the image, I want to navigate to the login screen. Also this, like, I will navigate from this screen to the login screen. When I click to the image, we can see, and I want to pass the data from this screen also, like the selected data also. This is my flight list and this is my item. I want to pass my item data also when I click to the image, so like this. So how can we achieve this task? For that we are using the React Native navigation props. So let me show you. Take another object, and inside object you just type the item cart data, and then which item you want to pass. I want to pass the item of the render item also. I want to pass my render item. Just copy this and come here and just paste it. When I click to the image, now I can pass the item data. When I click to the image, I pass the render item data like this. And now I just pass the data to the login screen. But how can we use that data in the login screen? To just come to the login screen. So this is my login screen. So in login screen we have creating the function. So in here we just type the route, find the any also like this, and just come here, take a one variable with the name of, so I'm taking one variable also, and there const, and just type item data coming, and just type a route. Now I can show you print this data also. Let's see in console log. So you can see item data. Just open your terminal. So this is our data. We have print the data. You can see item.data we have. So now I have to print only my data like this. I just want to see my data. And inside the params we have a item.cart. Just copy this item.cart because we already defined the name of the item.cart in here. So now we have a bedroom ID number. Now I'm going to print these data also, and here just remove this and just take a text and just copy your item data coming and just type the ID. Now you can see the ID number 2 we have seen. Let me define the styling for this font style. I need a 30. So you can see only the 2. Show you the image also of this. Let's take a view, another view also. We need another view because the touchable without feedback need only one item, image from the React Native, and source, and also we need an item. We need a URI, then item dot image. So also we need to style height 200 and width also 200. So you can see the image also now. See, you can see the same image when I click on this. So you can also see the same image. So this is the React Native props. How can you pass the data from one screen to another screen? Hope you like this video. See you in next video. For now, bye bye.